So one of the message here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said there is no good in most of the gatherings, the meetings, except it is for the charity or for something to good or to reform to the people. And whoever does that, then he is following the pleasure of Allah, what Allah wants, and soon they will be getting the great reward. So now it's a very good things about the seminars and symposiums and gatherings and events. So Allah is saying that there is no benefit in those gatherings except if it is for the charity purpose. So the one of the gathering or events which you can make, the number option Allah is giving, except it is for the charity option, charity purpose, to command people to do charity, to give medicines or food or etc. Aw maruf, or if it is for the goodness to the mankind, to the people. Or the third one is islahim bainan nas, or either for the correction or reform between the people. So right now the people, they can make gathering or this occasion, New Year and this year and this celebration and this celebration. What is the benefit? No. When you are gathering, then you make this gathering to be beneficial. Number one, this gathering is for the charity. To let people do charity, to help people with food or medicines or clothes or whatever. The second gathering which Allah is saying is that you can do generally good for the people through that charity, through that event or meeting. Or the third one is islahim bainan nas, or the third one is to gather people and then plan to make correction for the people or the reform for the people. And whoever does such things, he is intending to getting the pleasure of Allah. So soon he will be getting the great reward. So always try to make gathering or some events or some symposiums or seminar with a good intention, to give goodness to the people, to save people from the harm, or to do some actions of charity. Let others encourage for the charity. And one of the best is to gather people for reform, to teach them something good, to change their lives, to bring them close to God Almighty Allah, and to make them good people who can always do benefits for the people. We are here in this world to do good, and always try to do always good, and let other people to encourage to do good, and not to evil, and not to tolerate the evil. Whenever you see the evil, do something to stop with your hand or to stop with your words, or stop. The lowest part of your iman is to curse in your heart against that evil. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving the promise that there will be a great reward for those people who are trying to do this gathering for those purposes, for the purpose of the charity, or to let others to encourage for charity, or to purpose any other purpose which is good, which is even if you are doing it for entertainment, then entertainment should be good and not evil entertainment. Not the entertainment which can hurt the neighbors or which can hurt people around you, or not that to block the roads can give the hardship for the people, but the good one which can always be beneficial for the people. Among the one of the best is to islam bainan nas, and to reform among the people. So Allah is always guiding us what should we do and what should not do. So always follow what Allah wants us to do, and not to follow what Allah is forbidden to us. Example, some people are making a gathering and they are doing backbiting there in this gathering, and they are making destruction for the other people. And they want the other people to fight with other peoples. So these are also no benefit, no blessing in this kind of gathering, or rather a curse of Allah.